we guide you through how to share audio on Google Meet. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Google Meet meeting and join the call as usual. Once inside the meeting, click the Present Now button located at the bottom of your screen, and after that, choose either a tab, a window, or your entire screen. But for the best audio quality, select a tab, then choose the browser tab that contains the video, music, or audio you want to share. Before clicking share, make sure the share tab audio is checked so participants can hear the sound clearly. Once shared, everyone in the meeting will be able to hear the audio directly from your computer. If the audio is not working, check your browser permissions and make sure your volume is turned up. You can stop sharing anytime by clicking Stop Presenting. And that's how you easily share audio on Google Meet.